Hi. And we already messed up the intro. Well, hi.
Wait. Oh my god, that girl just went through this.
Ahoy. Yeah, this is the best ever intro. Nice point.
Yeah.
We're gonna train these horses because they're such low-leveled horses. Like mine's only level 5, yours is level 7 or something.
Wait,
So
mine's almost level 7.
yeah, so I think I still have some fur growth races, so I'm gonna go do those.
I already finished burger races, I think.
I didn't. Wow. This horse is actually pretty fast, not even
I'm actually go to.
I wanna change this hairstyle of this horse. It looks like ramen noodles that turned black. That's actually what they look like.
They have. Well, the ones that.
But I know this will turn into my never gonna train horse.
That turns black and white. Oh my goodness, I just flew.
You don't have a race here. I do.
I know. I'm just gonna do a champ.
Without me? Wow. Yeah. Wow, we're only.
Alright, now I'm gonna leave the group so I can do this competition thing.
Oh, okay. I will leave it too. I swear all of my notifications go all the way down there for some reason. Like, did I do something? Oh my god, I glitched into the ground.
Oh, we love that.
That's amazing. I've never... Okay, I'm already about to fail this race because you can literally you're literally watching me suffer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Oh, I failed the race.
No, I almost failed the race.
I did fail the race.
I just almost failed the race.
And I just did okay. Really? I have to do this all over. Wow. Move like a snake. Put your hand on your face. Move like a snake. Nice. I think all of my quest item things go to the bottom of the screen because look at my really clean backpack. Look at that. So clean,
my
so
backpack literally only has like, are you kidding me? Okay, that race just stopped, so I'm not. The only thing I have in my backpack is like one outfit.
You only have one outfit? Wait, you keep an extra outfit in your backpack?
Yeah, in case I like want to change.
I'm gonna keep 2 out. Actually, I'm gonna make an outfit and then I'm gonna put it in my backpack. So whenever I want to change, I could just put it on. Like that. I'm actually gonna kill myself after this race. Oh, hi! I saw you just hovering there without your horse even moving its legs. Nice.
I'm not actually raging today because it's actually going good.
Yeah. It's not for me. My horse doesn't know how to move.
Wow.
Oh my god, this is bad. This is bad. They saw my Spotify list. I lost the race.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the kids saw my watch on Spotify. Oh my god, this is great. They saw Melanie Martinez. Yeah, this is what I watch. This is what I watch.
The 10-piece meal, and then large fries, obviously, and then a large crepe.
Okay. I'm bad at this, of course. I mean, it's not new that I'm not bad at a race. Of course I am.
Okay.
I have to redo this race again because I'm talking way too much.
So, are we gonna make a part 2 if this gets too long?
Yeah, we will. So like if this cuts out like randomly, that means I wasn't paying attention to the time. But we're already 4 minutes into the video.
I'm gonna get on this pile of hay.
Oh my god, I want to hide under her hay. Wait until day. Don't make a peep. Never ever fall asleep. Glue man, leave my horses be. I memorized the song that little creepy girl says. I memorized it. Back inside your stable, the sun sinks neath the gable. When the gloom man comes to find you, these are the things that you must do. Hide under the hay.
I
Wait
got
until
a picnic table.
You did? Wait, why would you buy a picnic table and not invite me?
Because you're doing a race and
I could abandon the race and come to your picnic.
no, continue training. You're doing it.
Yeah, this is training. This is training time part 1. This might be like a part 5 video. We're just spamming with videos right now because Roxanne loves to do this.
I might look into getting a screen recorder so I can record it on videos.
It's free. You just have to download it. But you'll just have like this weird watermark, but you could pay too. Or maybe sometimes they have like this deal where you get this for free, so it takes away the watermark. So yeah.
I'm gonna search up screen recorders.
Yeah, that's what I search up all the time. That's how I get my screen recorder.
Grandma may be pregnant, but who cares?
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. No, I am not a baby, and I'm not a man. You're coming with me, ugly horse.
Download for Windows.
My horse actually has butt shadings. I'm not amused. Like the old horses, the Frisian model is not a generation 3, I think. A 3rd generation.
No, they're coming out with the generation 3, which will be updated.
Frisian?
Yeah.
Oh my god, when? I need to know.
I don't know. Why is my horse always in a bathtub?
Like they have ball legs. Like they have tennis ball knees.
Stop abusing the Frisians.
No. Almost all the horses have tennis ball knees. It's okay. They're not alone. They're just genuinely ugly. And I just have to train it because I bought it without thinking as soon as I became level 12. Shut your mouth.
Why does this horse go so high?
Oh my god! Thank you, Star Stable.
What?
I got a dangerous fall when I needed to get a dangerous fall because I accidentally fell down the bridge. Wait, do you know the song River?
Huh?
Do you know the song River? Oh my god, which one?
I listened to River. And that's the best song.
I know. Okay, where are you? Oh, I see you! I see you! Hi! Hi! I'll buy a picnic. I'll buy a picnic for us. Hi! Oh, that was cute. Oh, my horse is way too skinny for yours, so bye, Ft.Alicia. That's just rude. Okay, I'm just kidding. Since you're rich now, since you got $2,000, can I please have some?
No.
Yes, I can because I'm your friend. No, because I'm your friend now, so I have to. Oh my god.
She's trying to steal our star coins. Run.
Yeah, I'm trying to steal your star coins. I gotta go. No! I swear.
Let's travel to the Baroness's racetrack.
The Baroness's racetrack? I'm taking the trailer there.
I have the trailer to the Baroness's racetrack.
I don't.
Oh, so you can trailer to Manor and then go there.
I am.
Oh, okay.
Wait, of course you have to do a quest to unlock that. But I hate doing quests though. But I will never get to level 15 if I don't do quests. How are you already level 20 and you didn't do one Star Rider race? I mean Star Rider, Soul Rider quest.
I've done them.
All of them?
Yes.
Even saving
well, the ones to come out, no, but the ones that already.
So you went to Pandoria without me?
Yeah.
Wow. That's how you
didn't know you at the time.
I know you didn't, but now you do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shoot! I have to wait for you. Crap.
No, you don't. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, I wanna do it.
Yeah, okay. Wait, wanna do a race on who's better at this race? Wait, what?
Oh yeah, let's see who's better at this one. I want to jump on this pile of heavy bags.
Wait, I'm going the wrong way. I'm going to the riding arena. What the? It's okay. It's okay. I do that too.
Dang it! How do I get on top of it?
Hey, Julie. Heard you got that drip, 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 drip. Ew. Ew. What the heck?
What?
I know the whole song. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I didn't get a dangerous fall by jumping off a cliff.
How?
I don't know. We only have 5 more minutes, so we might have to like do part 2 or part 5 on training.
I'm walking on the edge. I'm crying on the edge.
You're crying.
Teetering on the edge.
Good job. Fall off the edge.
I'm walking on the edge. I'm cantering on the edge.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Falling off. I fell off.
I'm just gonna just teleport by doing a jumping transition. Here, finally. Nice transitions. It totally didn't take me like 3 hours to get here. You know, just one hopefully clean transition. If you watched one of my old videos, they were so cringy. Like, I had such a squeaky voice. I don't know what's up with that, but I do.
The tinkers are so slow now.
They're slow?
Yeah.
Or just the more you think about it, the slower it gets. That's just a psychological trick that is with your mind. Oh my god, you finished the race first, didn't you?
Yeah, because I started it first stuff.
And I also am riding a level 5 Frisian.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I need to go to the oh my god, I'm glitching like Mario. Mario Badescu, whatever you say it, I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna take a transition on this too.
I have an idea for your next transition. Like, you could rear, and when you land, that's where you go next.
Yeah. So that'll be.
Go to Dundle?
Yeah, let's go to Dundle.
Alright, let's rear.
Okay, we're here. Oh my god, Vids is here.
Vince is here?
Yeah,
Like on the call?
like not in the call, but I think he is gonna join the call. And if he does, then I can't record because he's not a kid friendly. Oh, Frog. Frog is here.
Did the video end?
Oh, no, it did not. We still have 2 minutes. So, wanna just run around Dundle being crazy?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's just run around. Yay! The really jumpy person that loves to jump. Let's be those jumpy people that love to jump. Okay, oh my god. Let's buy one of the mist boxes that costs 399 star coins.
I know!
Let's
They're
not.
over here.
Where am I running? Oh my god. I could have made that jump, actually. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oopsie doopsie 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 oops. Oh my god. Why do people do Rex rolls?
Oh my god. No.
Because they're kids. They're kids that play Roblox and they play those OG games. They play those online dating games.
Can download a screen recorder on our computers?
I'm not gonna delete the one with Mario and Luigi.
Oh my god, no!
No, delete that!
Delete
Never.
it. Yes. Yes, delete it.
I am evil, I would not delete it.
My friend keeps on sending me My Hero Academia memes. I don't like it.
Making sure I don't
Definitely delete the one with Yoshi.
Yoshi? Okay, Yoshi's adorable. And I think we might have to end the video.